Hi, my name is Thomas Kim,
And I'm Bastian Fennell.
and we're here today to present our web application, Truth Tables. So what is Truth Tables? Truth Tables is a web app that makes Boolean logic easy to learn. It was originally built as part of Frege and was designed for both students and instructors. It's free to use for any application, commercial or non-commercial, and it's available online to anyone as a free web app. So let's try using Truth Tables. So this is the main landing page for Truth Tables. After the introduction, we can see a legend that maps certain Boolean operators to ASCII characters. For example, if you wanted to use the Boolean operator OR, you would type the ASCII character vertical bar. Let's try entering an expression. The next part we see is a checkbox that is labeled Want Immediate Feedback. If we check this box, the app will be run in practice mode, and if we uncheck this box, the app will be run in test mode. We'll explain more about that later. Let's just create the table for now. So the first thing you'll see on the main page for Truth Tables is the expression that you just entered. This expression, instead of having the ASCII characters that you entered, will have the Boolean operators.
If you click on an input box corresponding to a sub-expression, the app will highlight the components, making it easier to fill in. Let's try an example. If we click P and Q, the app highlights the boxes for P and Q. So true and true is true, so let's type in T. The box turned green, telling us that we got it right. Don't worry about typing letters other than T or F. The app will just ignore it and won't increment the mistake counter. Next is not R. As you can see, the app highlights the box for R. Not true is false, but let's try getting it wrong. Notice how the box turned red and the mistake counter at the bottom incremented? In practice mode, Truth Tables will tell you immediately when you get the answer wrong. Okay, let's change our answer to F so we can get it right. Finally, we'll try the last column. Notice how this time the columns for P and Q and not R are highlighted. This is because our last expression is P and Q or not R. True or false is true, so we'll input T. Now we can just fill in the rest of the table the same way. Now we'll go back to the landing page and try out test mode. Just uncheck the box that says Want Immediate Feedback, and the app will create Truth Table in test mode.
In test mode, the app will operate almost exactly the same as in practice mode, except it won't give you immediate feedback on whether you've gotten an answer correct or incorrect.
After finishing all or part of the truth table, you can press the Evaluate button at the bottom to give you a score and highlight your incorrect answers. For now, we'll just put T in every box to show how correct and incorrect answers are highlighted. Notice how after clicking Evaluate, the correct answers are highlighted green and the incorrect answers are highlighted red, just like in practice mode. For instructors or adventurous students, it is possible to bypass the landing page by encoding the Boolean expression in the URL.
The first part of the URL you'll see is truthtables.org. This is the website that hosts our Truth Tables web app. The next part of our URL is a hash mark. This hash mark is just a delimiter, so we'll leave it there for every expression that we enter. After the hash mark is true. This true means that we're going to run this Truth Table web app in practice mode. If you want to run in test mode, just change this true to false. The last part of the URL is the expression itself. This expression is encoded using the rules that are on the legend on the landing page. Thank you for listening to our presentation on our web app truth tables. Our source code is available on GitHub at the following URL. You may copy, use, sell, or modify the code as long as we are credited in some way. Thank you very much.